was coming undone. Oh, every choice filled with regret till the night we were done.